What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to Hairstyles TV. And as I can see, I'm about to do something to my hair. And you see those grays? So first we got to get rid of those, and boom, my grays are colored. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing 2 flat twists in the front and individual twist in the back with like a corkscrew curl at the end. And of course, I'm using my iStyles hair care. And you can find that link in the description box. That was the iPop Curls Curl Defining Gel and the iFormit styling foam. So like I said, the front is going to be 2 flat twists, and then in the back, the individual with the corkscrew end. All right. Okay, so for the front, I only use the foam by itself, but for the back, I use the foam and the gel. And I must say, your girl has been neglecting on her own hair. Being a hairstylist and a natural hairstylist, sometimes my hair get put on the back burner, or just thrown in some twists, or just thrown in a puff. And yeah, so I got to get back to taking care of my hair as well. Because like I said, I've been neglecting it because I'd be too tired to do my own doggone hair. And I can't have that because I can't be looking raggedy, my hair looking raggedy, and I'm doing everybody else's hair and they looking all fine and luxurious, okay? So that's why I'm starting to do these, well, not a protective style, but just a style that's low maintenance or that can get me through the week. Of course, with working out as well, this is a perfect style because you can leave the twist in. You don't have to do the corkscrew ends with the rollers, as you'll see in a minute. But yeah, I have to start back taking care of my hair because, like I said, that is no good if my hair is looking crazy and everybody's hair is looking nice, okay? All right, here I am doing the corkscrew, excuse me, curl. Usually when I roll my hair, I just roll from the end up, but this time I decided to do the corkscrew curls, which is a tighter curl, but the curls last a little longer. So here I am twisting, but not all the way down, just to a point, and then I do the corkscrew, and I'm using the white perm rods. Excuse my voice because I am a little tired. I just got off work, but I had to do this video. But anywho, that's neither here nor there, but here I am, I'm finished, and that's what it looks like, and that is the twist in the front. So I wore the twist and the rollers in my hair for about 4 days because I like to leave my twist in before I take them out because it's more defined when you leave them in longer. But before I took them down, I put foam on my big twist in the front so to lay the flyaways down, and to take out the twist, I'm using in the back, the twist in the back, I'm using my eye glisten. It's a serum really foam, but it's also a heat protected, excuse me. somebody would text me while I'm recording. But yes, this is what the corkscrew look like. Hey, you get what you get when you see my videos. I mean, they not perfect. I mean, things happen. So yes, you heard my phone going off. But anyway, that's what the corkscrew. And now the alarm is going off. What is going on? This video is all over the place. Well, this voiceover is all over the place. But anywho, I'm going to keep going. This is the corkscrew curl. And like I said, it's a tighter curl. But yes, this is what the back looks like. And I'm going to just pin the front up. And we're going to take the twist loose. So yes, keep watching this crazy video. So my idea when I first did this for the front twist was to pin the ends up across the top where my parting is to make like a headband. But that didn't work for me. So what I did was just take the ends loose and pin it. It kind of camouflage it in between the individual twists in the back in the corkscrew. So you can't really see that it's not curled like the rest of them. So this is the finished look. And actually I did this was on Super Bowl Sunday when I took them out, which was February 13th. So yes, so we're coming to the end of the video. So you see the curls. Yes, honey. But anyway, coming to the end of this video. If you like this video, if you're going to try this style, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well at Hairstyles with the Z15. Yes, and look at that bounce. All right, folks. I will see you on the next one.